Hi, I'm Dr. Nick Kugler, dentist in Seattle, Washington. Welcome to Cascade Integrative Dentistry, where we are advancing the standard of care by offering science-based protocols to increase long-term success for optimizing your oral health. Our mission is to help patients improve their oral and systemic health, starting with the mouth. We want to find and cure the root cause of oral issues by addressing systemic problems that can contribute to ongoing oral disease. The standard dental model is broken. Its goal is to fix things when they break, which limits the options to fix the problem and limits the time allowed to make that decision. Having seen this play out time and time again, I became jaded about dentistry because I saw the misery patients always seem to end up in. Most of the time, it was easily preventable. I felt the need to change that. I knew I could offer more, and I knew that patients wanted more from their dentist, even if they didn't know it. When I opened Cascade Integrative Dentistry, I wanted to offer the highest level of care and education so that patients spend less time at the dental office and more time having fun. In medicine, patients get routine blood work and other testing done all the time to see where they're at on their health journey. Intervention usually starts at the first sign of a problem. We don't wait to treat diabetes or cancer until it's severe, yet for some reason, dentistry has a tendency to wait until the last possible second before failure to act on treating a problem. My philosophy is to be conservative in recommending treatment, but proactive in making progress. Let me explain. The vast majority of time, we can see where the health of a tooth is going. Pieces chip away, stains develop, cavities grow over time. There are a lot of clues as to what is going on with a particular tooth. The real question is, when does the check engine light come on? This is where I like to have a conversation with patients. Updating a mouth full of old fillings doesn't have to be an urgent need if caught early enough. My goal in treating patients is to prevent problems, not just fix things when they break. I want to help patients optimize their overall oral health in order to prevent pain and inconvenience. The staff and I really love you, and we really appreciate you coming in. But for your own sake, we really don't want you spending a lot of time at our office. Scheduled routine maintenance will keep you pain-free and emergency-free so that you can continue to enjoy your life without tooth pain. Dental school teaches dentists to memorize and regurgitate. Part of this is the amount of repetition dentists have at their job on a daily basis. The other part is teaching as much information as efficiently as possible to pass a board exam. As a result, dogma is passed down from class to class, and it begs the question, are dentists actually learning anything? The problem is that this environment leaves little room for critical thinking. As a naturally curious person, I can't help but to read stacks of books and peer-reviewed research papers in my spare time. I seek out diverse opinions about problems related to the mouth from other practitioners who aren't dentists. It's amazing just how different similar problems in the mouth are approached by physical therapists, chiropractors, or even ENTs. This has helped me come up with better ways to approach traditional dental problems with new ideas. I get asked a lot, what does integrative mean? Well, the dictionary definition refers to the concept of combining various elements to create a unified whole. When I discuss integrative dentistry, I like to pull from my very diverse dental background to form a comprehensive or holistic approach to a particular problem. Crooked and crowded teeth? Airway problem, not a cosmetic concern. Getting extreme amounts of buildup on your teeth that has to be chipped away with a jackhammer at your cleaning every 6 months? It's not a hygiene problem, it's a vitamin problem. The standard dental model is looking at the mouth with blinders on and missing 80% of what's going on. Dentistry is more than just teeth, gums, and hygiene. An integrative approach aims to leverage the strengths of different components and perspectives for a more complete and effective outcome. Have you ever been curious about your health? And I mean like genuinely curious? Have you ever asked yourself, why? Why is this happening to me? What's going on? My personal health journey started with a simple question to myself. Why? Why wasn't I feeling great like I used to? I sought help from a naturopathic doctor that offered an integrative approach. After a lot of personal work, lifestyle adjustments, and many rounds of blood work later, I was feeling great. And I didn't even have to take any medication to feel that way. At Cascade Integrative Dentistry, I want to offer practical and effective solutions to patients who are curious about why things are happening to them. Truly solving oral health often requires lifestyle changes, discipline, and making new habits. I want to support my patients in overcoming their challenges and watch them succeed with stable, long-term oral health and harmony. When I started Cascade Integrative Dentistry, I worked really hard to answer the question, why? I realized that I needed to have values in order to guide what we do and why. I created 4 values to abide by. The first value is transparency. We have a commitment to patients to be open and honest in diagnosis and treatment planning using the scientific method to develop treatment recommendations. Our goal is to have quality treatment recommendations based on data gathered across multiple visits. The second value is Kaizen. Kaizen is the Japanese philosophy of continual improvement. Our promise to our patients is to continually learn new things, to continually improve treatment options in order to offer the best treatment, and to continually refine our processes for the best patient experience. Our third value is intention. In order to understand why we do something, we actually have to ask the question, why? We put intention behind everything we do so that we can have purpose in addressing a specific question or a problem. We do not just go through the motions. Our last value is passion. Our team is passionate about what we do. We enjoy reading the latest scientific findings and strive to implement newly learned knowledge to our patients' benefit. In a nutshell, we love to geek out on dentistry. Plus, life is too short to do something you're not passionate about. Are you curious about your oral health? Let us help you troubleshoot the root cause of your oral health issues at Cascade Integrative Dentistry. Hit that button below to book your visit and let me personally show you what we're all about.